Technology and livelihood education. Family and consumer science. Food preparation. Lesson 2 Week 3 Part 1. Our topic is standardized recipe and instructional recipe. Review of the previous lesson. Answer the following questions. 1. What is a hot kitchen? 2. What is a cold kitchen? 3. How would the quality of food service be affected if the responsibilities of the hot kitchen and cold kitchen were not clearly divided? Explain your answer. 4. What are the safety and health precautionary measures in the kitchen? 5. Imagine that a kitchen staff member ignores safety and health precautions while preparing food. What possible consequences could this have on customers, employees, and the restaurant's reputation? Examine the graphic organizer carefully. Write one word, phrase, or idea that you associate with the terms recipe and food cost in the appropriate spaces. After everyone has contributed, participate in the class discussion and collaborate with your classmates to synthesize the responses into clear and comprehensive definitions of both terms. The activity was conducted to assess and activate your prior knowledge about recipes and food cost before discussing standardized and instructional recipes. It helped you identify key ideas and relate them to real-life food preparation. Standardized recipes ensure consistent quality and quantity, while food cost supports efficient resource management and profitability. This foundation prepares you for better understanding and application in practical kitchen settings. Our topic is standardized recipe and instructional recipe. A standardized recipe is a tested and approved formula that provides exact ingredients, measurements, procedures, and yields to ensure consistent quality, taste, and quantity every time it is prepared. An instructional recipe is a guide used for teaching or learning cooking skills. It includes step-by-step directions, ingredients, and procedures, but it may not always be strictly standardized in terms of cost, yield, or precision. Here is an example of a recipe. Chick adobo recipe. Based on the example provided, answer the following. 1. What are the parts or sections of the recipe presented? 2. Are all the components complete? 3. What parts seem to be missing or unclear? 4. How does having a structured recipe aid the cook in performing their duties effectively? The following are the parts of standardized recipe. The following are the parts of standardized recipe. 1. Dish name with descriptions. 2. Ingredients with quantities and specifications. 3. Preparation and cooking methods. 4. Cooking time and temperature. 5. Menu section or kitchen area for preparation. 6. Portion size, yield. Here is an example of a standardized recipe. Baked salmon. Number 1 parts of the standardized recipe is the recipe name with description. Number 2. Ingredients with quantities and specifications. Number 3. Preparation and cooking methods. Number 4. Cooking time and temperature. Number 5. Menu section or kitchen area for preparation. Number 6. Portion size. And number 7. Yield. The following are the parts of instructional recipe. The following are the parts of instructional recipe. Number 1. Dish name with descriptions. Number 2. Ingredients with quantities and specifications. Number 3. Quantities or number of servings. Number 4. Preparation and cooking methods. Number 5. Cooking tools and equipment needed. Number 6. Cooking time and temperature. Number 7. Tips. Number 8. Variations.
A time to remember.
Directions. Listen to the discussion on standardized and instructional recipes. Complete the graphic organizer with the correct information and be ready to share your answers.
This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Mylene Huliganga. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my YouTube channel.